if you're looking for something different to do, why not try bowling? Mallorca does have 10-pin bowling. €7, €7.50 depending on what day you go. There's a bar and plenty of places to sit down. People have parties here, so you might find there's a birthday party. There's lots of other things going on, table football, basketball, all those sorts of games, and all these video games that I really don't know anything about. And this could be me driving, but it isn't. I haven't really got a clue how to do these things. But there's a whole arcade of different things to go onto if you want to before the bowling. We went in the afternoon, it was quite busy, but we didn't have long to wait. They told us 40 minutes and we had a chance to sit down and get our drinks before they called us and said we could go on, so we only waited less than 5 minutes, I suppose. And it's got, I don't know, 14, 13, no, we were 40, there were 40 different lanes there, so they do get turned over fairly quickly. And well, just a place to have lots of fun. We took Indy and Freya, and they had fun trying to roll these balls down and knock down the skittles. Of course, I didn't win, but we all had lots of fun, and it's something we'll probably do again in the future. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.